Okay, we're going to do some basic trig. We're going to try and find missing side if we're given a side and an angle, given a side plus an angle. Basic problem. So let's just sketch one out. Right angle triangle. We're just doing right angle triangle trig at the moment. There's our right angle. Let's say the angle we know is 72 degrees. And on this occasion we know that this side is going to be 15.3 and we want to find M. First thing, golden rule, we've got a picture. First thing, we need to label the sides. Well, this is opposite, this side is opposite the right angle. Here's the right angle, it's the longest side. So this is our hypotenuse here. This M, the side we want, is opposite the angle. So we label this opposite. It doesn't touch the angle. It's not making a side of the angle. This, let's just make a note of this. This side, relative to our 72 degrees, relative is adjacent. So OAH. Well, how are we going to do it? Well, next thing is SOHCAHTOA. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent opposite over adjacent. Well, let's just go through this. What have we got? Well, we know the hypotenuse. Well, we've got a hypotenuse there. We've got a hypotenuse there. Well, that means nothing here at all for us in tangent, so we can cross that one out. We need to find the opposite side in this occasion. Well, there's an opposite side in this sign. No opposite sign here. No opposite there. This is the ratio we want. Easy way of finding the ratio. So now we want sine, the angle, 72 degrees. Well, it's the opposite side, that's M, over H, the hypotenuse, 15.3. Let's just make a note here. Opposite over hypotenuse. So in SOHCAHTOA. Well, now we want M on its own. Remember, this is just a number. Sine 72 is a number. We can even get a calculator and we can punch in sine, oh, we need to turn it on first, sine 72. Enter. Wow, 0.951 and a lot more. 0.951 and a lot more decimal places. So it is just a number. It's this number equals M divided by 15.3. So to get M on its own, all we need to do is to multiply that side by 15.3, cancels that out, multiply this side by 15.3, and now we've got M on its own. Basic balancing, Algebra 1, balancing of an equation to get M as the subject on its own. So now we've got M is going to be 15.3 times, and I'm going to put in a calculator, times sine 72 degrees. Get back our calculator. Now we don't need to remember all this decimal place here. We clear it. So we want to punch in 15.3 times sine 72. The calculator knows that. Hit the enter sign. There we go. 14.55. And a lot more decimal places. We'll just round it to one decimal place. 14.6. And there we have it. If, of course, we wanted the adjacent side, which of the trigonometric ratios would we use? Well, adjacent appears in CAH. It appears also here, but this would be the one we want. Sine, we would not want at all. That's it. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.